You know what? I can hear a train. It's a train coming. Yeah. Looks like we've got a storm brewing up. So I better go for my walk. Hope I don't get caught in the rain. It's just storm clouds coming over. Me, Trev. Today is Monday. Welcome. 21st of May. Start of a new day, start of a new week. Yes. Welcome. And it's a nice morning. It's not cold. I don't have a jacket on. So it's just a bit of a storm starting to brew up a bit. I don't like the look of it out now. So I better get for my walk before I do get any storms. So I'll be right. Hope I don't get caught in it. Anyway, well, how was your weekend? Hope you had a good weekend. Mine was okay. Very quiet. What you can do. All those storm clouds brewing up. Nobody around. It's good. Okay. Just the railway line. I thought I'd come along here just in case a train comes along, because there is a passenger train due to come in. So sometimes it's late, but we'll see. You never know. Welcome to my new subscriber. I got a new subscriber. Thank you. I did have, look at the subscribers count. I had 84, and I thought I was hoping to get 85. It'll be good. So I got it. 85 subscribers. Thank you, subscriber. And for coming to my channel. And those of you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Just press that red button and join the club. Just walking along. Yeah, the clouds are brewing up. It's but it's not rain. There's no rain. We had no rain overnight. We had hardly any rain over the weekend at all. Not even the weekend. It's crazy weather, you know. And I know been a lot of rain down Tasmania, I believe. Hello to all you folks in Tassie. You're getting a lot of rain down there. And I believe there's been flooding down there at Hobart. And I'm waiting for a train. This is the main train. Actually, the V line comes through here. The V line is the one that travels from Melbourne to Albury and back to Melbourne. The other one is the XPT. That's the fast train. That one travels interstate. That's an interstate train that goes from Melbourne to Sydney and back. But there are other XPTs around, mostly New South Wales, further north. A lot of them go up to up around Newcastle, I think, Warwick, all those places up to Queensland. Yeah, so you know what? I can hear a train. It's a train coming. Yeah. Which way it's coming? I think it'll be the V line. I'm not sure. Hear that? I think it's coming from from the north direction. I think. Here we come. Here we come. That's the XPT. That's the one that travels interstate from Melbourne all the way to Sydney. That one's going all the way to Sydney. That's got a long way to go. Though there is another one that will come in, whether it might be a bit late, I think. And that's the V line. That's the one that travels from Melbourne to Albury. And that's only about an hour's drive from here. Sydney is around about, well, what time is it? Around about 10:15, I think now. I think it'll probably get into Sydney around about, I don't know, 5 or 6 o'clock tonight. Yeah, so it's got a lot of travelling to do. Yeah. Anyway, we saw a train, we saw the XPT. I don't know why they call it the XPT, I really don't know. Anyway, let's push on.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into.
Hey Trev, today is Sunday, 20th of May, and today is an overcast day, very gloomy, and no rain yet. No, it's been trying to rain, but it hasn't. So, nothing doing today, just been busy. Editing and uploading Trev's Memory Lane, part 14. So, and sorry about that. The battery ran out in my camera. Yeah, and it is a cold. Well, it's a cool day. Well, it's not really average. Not overly cold. Just cool. Yeah, a bit weird. I thought it'd be colder than this, but you know. We've had fog and frost. We've had fog the other night. Friday night, I think it was. Or was it Thursday night? Yeah, Thursday night we had a very thick fog overnight. And in the morning, Friday morning as well. So, yeah, as you can see, I've just been busy converting my Trev's Memory Lane. And... It's the part 14. So, and also part 15. That's right, part 15 will be next. Will be the next time, so watch out for that one. I hope you're enjoying these memory lanes. I mean, they're going back in time, back in 2000. Some of my early vlogs on my first early parts, they go way back to as far as 2010 and 11, and yeah, check them out. And, they're really, some of them are really funny. There's a lot of songs on there as well, so yeah. So there's a lot more. There's a lot more to come yet. So I've still got a lot of lot of videos from my last channel, MeTrev channel, and yeah. So it's good to be able to sort of revive them back again, and yeah.
Heavens, the Lord, He's my bar. I'll sing you my song. You can sing along.
How's that?
I know
This song is being edited and mixed down. Yeah, all completed. My Glorious Land. It's a beautiful song. And also I've done All I Want Is You. That's the name of the song. I also completed that as well. So at the moment I've struck a bit of a brick wall. Because I tried to convert it to MP3, but the MP3, I'm having trouble at the moment converting it from WAV file to MP3, because MP3 it tends to stick halfway download, so I wouldn't go any further. So at the moment I've got to look for another converter on mine to do that. So anyway, it's coming up good, eh? Sounds good. My Glorious Land. Yeah. You'll have to have a listen to the original version. I'll show you that. Listen to the original version of My Glorious Land that was recorded way back in 1992.
And I can count every star appear in the sky. If I reach out my hand, there I see millions of stars before my sad eyes. My glorious land ever be. This land is my land.
This is the original version. It was recorded in Swan Hill way back in 92. I think it was 1992, around about that era. Yeah, it was a different recording then. Yeah. Beautiful song, isn't it?
Listening to my song, my land, my glorious land.
Beautiful, isn't it?
My glorious land.
Okay, now, it's night time now. Yeah, and now tomorrow, as from tomorrow, well, as from this vlog, I'm going to be doing what you call a Q&A, questions and answers. Yeah, what do you want to know about me? Yeah, so you can question me just put your questions down in the comment. Yeah. So I remember I did this on my last channel, me Trev channel. I used to do the Q&A, and I never sort of got a chance to do it on this channel. So next Tuesday week I will be reviewing all the answers, all the questions, and I will answer them. Yes. So that will be next Tuesday week. Yeah. So as from now, you can jot down what you want to say, and I'll take note of those questions. What do you want to know about me? Maybe you want to know about what's my favourite colour, what's my favourite movie, favourite country, where I would like to go, where would I like to travel to, my favourite holiday destination, things like that. And I will answer those. And I won't mention names or anything like that, so I'm just going to answer the questions and see how we go from there. And also my channel. Now, I've done a lot of vlogging this month, and a lot of videoing, I know. And what do you want me to do? Like, what things you don't like on my channel? There are some things you may not like so much. Okay, fine. And what do you want me to do more of on my channel? Would you like me to do some channels? Collaboration? Videos that will involve with challenges? Yeah, that'll be cool, eh? Would you like to see me more of travel? What do you like the best? Travelling? Me do more travel, bike riding, walking, bushwalking, singing as well, cooking, baking, or whatever. What do you like more of? So yeah, just put it down on my channel, on my comments. It'll be very interesting to answer those. It's you people to keep my channel moving, to get more subscribers, more views, and I have 86 subscribers. Yeah, I mentioned earlier on this vlog I had 85. Now I've got another one. 86. I want to thank you, subscriber, for subscribing to my channel, and I want to thank all you other subscribers for subscribing to this channel, and it's great to have you on board. Anyway, I'm going to finish this vlog, and I shall see you tomorrow, which will be Tuesday. Great harmony, peace, bye. You never know what I get up to next. Have a great Tuesday tomorrow. Bye.